if you can give us your personal foundation of what a foundation model actually is and what that term means to you.
Well, I actually usually go back to the definition from the Stanford report from, I believe, 2021, which kind of make this term really stick. And they describe the foundation model as a model that it's trained on a broad set of data using self-supervision at scale, which you can then adapt to tons of different tasks. But the key idea is that it's not a finished product. It's more like a starting point, something that you can fine tune or customize, simply depending on what you need to do. And you kind of ask, what's my personal definition? So personally, I like to explain foundation models using actually house building analogy. And that works especially when I'm talking to people that aren't so deep into a tech space. I ask them to simply think of, strong and solid foundation, and you can build all kinds of things on top of it, from house, skyscraper, even a bridge. And the foundation model kind of works in a similar way. It's an AI model that's, been trained on tons of data and can support all sorts of tasks like understanding text, generating images, and, all kinds of cool stuff that we've been already doing it with it so far. But just like foundation isn't a complete building yet, a foundation model isn't the final product either. You still need to add the walls, rooms, and all kinds of stuff to make it fit the specific purpose. And that's where the fine-tuning or adapting the model comes in. But here is the important part. It's just like you wouldn't use the same foundation actually for building a small cabin and a massive bridge. You also need to pick the right foundation model for the job. Because if you start with the mismatched one, quite likely you are going to run into troubles later, and we start to learn about them, as we speak. But on the other hand, if you choose well from the beginning, you got a stable and reliable base to actually build something great, and that's actually something that it seems that quite a lot of organizations are struggling right now.